Dear friends, today is a holy day, an auspicious day, a sacred day, a day of celebration. Why? 22nd December 1853, Holy Mother Sri Sharada Devi was born. On that day we could not. Today we are trying to celebrate. This university is named after Swami Vivekananda, we all know. Swami Vivekananda is a disciple of Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. Therefore, we find Swami Vivekananda worshipping Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. And Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa worshipped Holy Mother Sri Sharada Devi. Therefore, we are bound to celebrate. We are bound to worship. We are bound to offer our pranams to the great lady, Holy Mother Sri Sharada Devi. This year we are having Mahakumbha Mela in Allahabad. The speciality of Allahabad, Triveni Sangamam. Three great rivers come together, merge. We can see them. One is Ganga, Jnana Ganga, White Ganga, pure Ganga, divine Ganga, and that is symbolic of Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. And the second great river you see in Allahabad is Yamuna, dark in complexion, more striking, more dynamic, more of devotion. It is all bhakti, and that we can see in Swami Vivekananda. Sri Ramakrishna's jnana we can see, Swami Vivekananda's bhakti we can see in the great rivers Ganga and Yamuna. What is the third river? Saraswati, Sharada. Imperceptible, not clearly visible, not fully seen, not popularly known. People know Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. People know Swami Vivekananda. How many of us know very clearly about Sri Sharada Devi? Less. The father's greatness we know. Brother's greatness we know. Grandfather's greatness we know. Who has recognized the mother's greatness? She is the pillar. She is the prop. She is the support. She is everything. And that mother you have, that mother I have, that mother the cosmos has, that mother Sri Ramakrishna has, that mother Swami Vivekananda has, and that is this great lady Sri Sharada Devi. This Sharada Devi, Holy Mother, is a spiritual sublimity. This Holy Mother Sri Sharada Devi is a cultural celebrity. This great lady Sharada Devi is a feminine profundity. This great lady Sharada Devi is a humane divinity. I use 4 phrases. She is, number 1, spiritual sublimity. What is spirituality? To understand, you study the character of Sharada Devi. What is the cultural perfection? What is the cultural celebrity? You find Sharada Devi. Similarly, the profundity of feminine nature you find in her. Finally, she is divine as a mother, humane divinity. Humane means suprema. On all the 4 phrases, intelligent students can write 4 theses. Each is capable of getting as a PhD degree. Each title can be there for an independent book. If you read the life of Sri Sharada Devi, you can produce a dozen PhDs. You can evolve to the spiritual heights. The point number 1 here is Sharada is like Saraswati in the Triveni Sangam. Building can be seen, foundation cannot be seen. Tree can be seen, the roots cannot be seen. The entire cosmos can be seen, but the spirit behind cannot be seen. Philosophy may be studied, spirituality is to be there as an insight of it. And that dimension, that nucleus, that spiritual core is Holy Mother Sri Sharada Devi. Therefore, Sri Ramakrishna worshipped. Second point I complete. We have 3 Murtis, Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva. All of us know it. We have Om, Akara, Ukara, Makara. A to commence everything. U to continue anything. Ma to culminate, to complete everything. God is the generator. God is the ordainer. God is the dissolver, GOD. The 3 C's, to commence, to continue, and to culminate, complete. And these 3 faculties, 3 items of good work are done by the 3 Murtis. Brahma to commence creation. Vishnu to sustain it, maintain it, ordain it, Sthiti. And Shiva, Layakara, dissolve it. All the 3 activities are done, and that is Om. And all the 3 have wives. Brahma's secret is in Saraswati. And therefore, Brahma worshipped Saraswati. The best seat he offered, the softest part in the mouth is a tongue. Saraswati is the queen of speech, Vani. Brahma placed her on the tongue and controlled by her, he worshipped her. You find Vishnu, the softest part and the most important aspect for any activity is Lakshmi, Dhanam. And that heart chest is given by Vishnu and he worships. Find Venkatachalapati worshipping money, worshipping Lakshmi, following her advice. You find Lord Shiva. A step further, he gave half the body, Ardhanarishwar. Brahma gave his tongue for the seat of Saraswati. Vishnu gave his chest as a seat to Lakshmi Devi. And you find Lord Shiva giving half the body, and he is governed by that Nari, Sri Shakti, Shiva Shakti. This was seen by Sri Ramakrishna. A step further he has gone. He sat on the floor. He brought Holy Mother Sri Sharada Devi, placed her on a high pedestal, as we have Vighneshwara on a high pedestal, as Dakshinamurti on a high pedestal. When we worship a deity, we keep the deity on a higher place. Sri Ramakrishna requested Sri Sharada Devi to be seated in a high pedestal, and he performed Shodasa Puja. Padam Pujayami, Janum Pujayami, Katim Pujayami, Nabhim Pujayami, Nasika Pujayami, Shiram Pujayami. Top to toe, toe to top. Every inch of Sharada Devi, every bit of Sharada Devi, every aspect of the entire cosmos, everything is full of love. Everything is full of grace. Everything is full of divinity. Everything is full of Adi Parashakti. That was realized by Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, and he adored her, worshipped her, glorified her. He sat at the feet of Holy Mother Sri Sharda Devi. Others speak of woman's greatness. He translated that glory into action. Yatra nari pujyante nandante tatra devataha. Where woman is worshipped, where woman is respected, where woman is revered, there you will find divine grace. Sita was not worshipped, Lanka was destroyed. Draupadi was not glorified, Hastinapur was destroyed. Wherever you find the glorification of woman, there you find prosperity. India is a great land of culture, giving the highest position to Shakti, Mata, and we are all following the footsteps of Swami Vivekananda, who worshipped Sri Ramakrishna and who in turn worshipped Sri Sharada Devi. We are all the children of Mother. Matru Devo Bhava. May we all be blessed by the grace of Sri Sharada Devi. Hari Om Tat Sat.
Suprabhatam. Very good morning to all. Subramanian ji has spoken about Triveni Sangama, Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati. Today we have three guests with us representing Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati. I am very pleased to introduce them to all of you. Shri Badrinath ji, Shri Suresh ji, both from Sama Technology Institutes of America, and also we have Dr. Sandhya Lakshmi, anesthetist. Thank you for visiting our Vyasa and participating in our events. Thank you very much, sir.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा